Have you noticed that these insanely satisfying AI videos are suddenly everywhere? They're getting millions of views across YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. And the craziest part? Most people think these videos take hours to create with expensive software. But that's no longer true. I found a way to create the exact same cinematic style using AI in just a few minutes. Take a look at this. Now imagine posting videos like that consistently. No advanced editing, no VFX experience, and no expensive tools. Let me show you exactly how it's done. First, open the prompt I've provided in the description below. Copy the entire prompt and paste it directly into ChatGPT. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate multiple creative concepts for your video. Go through the list and choose the one you like the most. Or, if you already have your own idea, simply type it in instead. Once you've selected your concept, ChatGPT will instantly create a complete cinematic shot-by-shot prompt with camera angles, scene descriptions, lighting, transitions, and every important detail already included. Now copy the entire prompt from beginning to end. Next, open Google Flow. Switch Video tab. Choose Omni Flash as your model. Set the video duration to. Paste the prompt into the input box and click. In just a short time, Google Flow will produce a cinematic AI video that's ready to upload on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. Here's the final result. Pretty impressive, right? And the best part is that you can repeat this process with unlimited ideas to create fresh viral content every single day. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe because I'll keep sharing the newest AI video ideas, powerful prompts, and viral content methods before everyone else starts using them.